Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the top 10 animations of the week and explaining what makes them so great. Let's get started. To start us off today is this very creative landing page that features a cool glitch with electric colors. And next up we have this app with a super smooth scrolling function. Just a quick note, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot of new content coming out soon. Alright, so next up we've got a gaming platform which uses a lot of really detailed micro interactions and really has a lot of components to it. Now we've got a really beautiful dark UI concept which features the blooming flowers as the center of this educational page. Next up, we've got an awesome 3D animation which uses perspective and geometric shapes and lines to create a fully immersive experience. And next up is a super interactive Go Green website, which we also like because we really support this cause. It features smooth scrolling text and dynamic motion that helps create a very immersive user experience. Speaking of immersion, it does not get more immersive than this. Here we have the entire purchase flow that really walks you through every detail of selecting all of the attributes that you want on your Cybertruck. Even though it has a lot of different components, it's still really easy to follow and simple for the user to use. Up next is this really cute little animation showcasing different shapes of a vase. And next up, also a super cute animation, we've got this bouncing dinosaur. Take a look at how the neck moves up and down. It's super elastic, and we also love all of the shading that's going on with the lighting. Alright, so the winner for this week is this amazing game by Mike at Creative Mints. Beautiful work as usual. All of the details are so beautifully sketched and animated, and it really looks like it would be a fun game to play. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and share, and we'll see you next week for your inspiration of the week.